Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Marshall Motif II. And before restarting, I wanna show you that I customize some gestures, so I change press and hold. The only way what I can change right here is a press and hold, and I add volume control on it. By default it uses noise control. Now let me play some song. Oh, and I wanna show you also that the touch area is located right here, where we have this letter, and right here. So I'm just put it to my ear. Now I'm going to play some song, and if you press one time on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. I press one time, and I just pause the song, press again, and I play a song. To play a next track, you need to press two times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2, and as you can see it works. To play previous track, you need to press three times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2, 3, and as you can see it also works. Also, we have volume control because I added, and you need to press and hold on your right earbud to increase the volume, and as you can see on this widget it works. And to lower it, just press and hold on your left earbud, and again as you can see it works. Also, you can answer the call by pressing one time on your left or right earbud when somebody calls to you, and you can reject a call by press two times. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!